So you already know what is a hardware and software. All these physical parts that we can see like monitor, keyboard, speaker, these are the hardware devices. And software is the set of instructions which is needed to work. Okay, computer works on software. Software is the set of instructions on which a computer works. So software are of two types, system software and application software. System software includes the operating system which controls all the activities of the computer. Operating system includes Windows. When we switch on the computer, Windows is loaded, Windows is started. So that Windows is the operating system. Operating system is the most important part without which a computer cannot work. But the application software is a software which is designed to do a particular type of work like MS Word, calculator, paint. So we will just have a look at the application software. When we click on this start button, left click on this, we click on all programs, we get a list menu, and from here we can click on accessories. Here we get WordPad. WordPad is a type of application software. And the another application software is calculator, because it helps us to do a particular task, particular work. It helps us to do calculations. We can do calculations like 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. We can also do minus, multiplication and division using this calculator, like 6 into 2 is equals to 12. And if we want to clear, just click on 0. Now we will do division. 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. So calculator is a type of application software. Now we will click on WordPad. Go to start button, all programs, click on accessories and left click on WordPad. This is also a type of application software where we can type something. So you will type 5 sentences and make use of caps lock key, space bar key. Caps lock key is this. We can type the letters in capital. Then the longest key is the space bar key. We can give spaces between two letters or two words using this space bar key. And then this is the enter key. There are two enter keys, I hope you remember. And we can move the cursor to the next line using this enter key. So we will write first sentence. We'll give space using this space bar key. Click on space bar key and then we'll write. If you want to type in capital, you'll press caps lock once and then I am a. Now you have typed I capital and you want the rest of the letters in small. So you will press the caps lock again to make it small. And then you will type am. And then after am, you will press this space bar key to give this space. See, this blinking line or the cursor will move one space forward. I am a machine. So now when you type the sentence, you press the space bar key 2 times, give 2 spaces and then you'll write the answer. I am a machine that can do various jobs. What that machine is called? That machine is called computer. So you'll write computer and then you'll press the enter key move the cursor to the next line and write the second sentence. So in this way you'll type all the 5 sentences that I'll give it to you, and then do this work on the computer. All those who have computer can do this work. Those who don't have, don't worry, we'll do it again.